Good morning, guys. So today is St. Patrick's Day. Later on we're gonna be celebrating it at like some sort of festival in downtown that I've never been to. But right now we're in a little like chilled neighborhood called Montrose. Here you have like there's lots of like street art, cafes, antiques, places like restaurants. I think there's some like museums as well. So we're gonna be spending the afternoon here first, and then later on we'll check out the St. Patrick's Day festival. So down a lot of these little alleyways you see like all this like cool graffiti art, so we're gonna check that out. Now we're gonna walk down about like 3 or 4 blocks. We're gonna check out some of the museums that I mentioned that are here. Should be pretty cool. But yeah, this place is just a really nice neighborhood. I would have considered yeah, trying to move here, but it's just a bit more expensive than what I was looking for. But yeah, it's just really nice. A lot of like nature and stuff. A lot of nice plants and trees everywhere. The houses are like pretty authentic as well. We've come to a place called the Menil Collection. It's like a little series of different buildings. So this was the main one, like an art museum, but it's actually closed at the moment for like restoration. So we're going to the next place called Rothko Chapel. Although it's called a chapel, it's not like specific to any religion. It's open to all. And I've been there once before. I don't think I'll be able to talk inside there, so I'll just have to show you around. Last time I was in there, it was like complete silence and like people meditating and stuff, so yeah, we'll see. So apparently we weren't supposed to film in there. I didn't know, but a guy spoke with me. Oh well. Now we're heading to a place called Byzantine Fresco Chapel. I really have no idea what's in this place, but we'll find out soon enough. It's just right next door. So that was pretty bizarre. Basically that chapel just had like 100 replicas of a painting called Fabiola. Yeah, I don't know what the deal with that was, but yeah, pretty funny. Now we're gonna go to the final like art place of the day. It's called Flavin installation at Richmond Hall. So that sucked. We weren't able to, yeah, you're not allowed to take any photos or video in that place, so I can't show it at all. Kind of weird because I saw like other videos of it, but all I can show is you the leaflet of what it looks like. So that's pretty much it. It's like a light room. Here we go, another room. That's pretty cool, but it would be better to go at night. Where are we at, Carol?
Brazil Cafe of 3.
And what do they serve? Brazilian food? No. Alright guys, we're eating some tasty burgers. I got a veggie burger. Carol's got, what is it, beef burger?
Yeah.
And fries. Alright, we're gonna head out now from Montrose. Really cool spot to go if you want to just like, yeah, have a relaxing, nice day. And we're just gonna head home, and then later on we're gonna go to the St. Patrick's Festival in downtown. So that's what's coming up next. So I think we're heading out now. I didn't film that much because it wasn't really that exciting, to be honest. It was like the least Irish thing that I've ever seen. They just had like cover bands like Led Zeppelin and Green Day. The only thing Irish about it was people wearing green, and that was about it. So yeah, that's it for me for today, and I'll see you in the next one.